Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around looking for an economical, safe vehicle. This might be it here, right here. This is the 2017, the Nissan Sentra. Stock number is 19166A. Let's take our virtual video walk around showing you this Sentra up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the SV edition, of course. No dings, no dents, no scrapes. Absolutely clean Sentra. This is a Carfax one owner and does have an absolute clean history report. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection, is Bluetooth capable. It's a local trade also. Super clean interior in the rear, as you can tell. And making our way up into the front. Easy access on this automatic transmission. Nissan. Super clean, economical, and very safe, and not going to last long. For more information on this Sentra or any other vehicles in our inventory, it's huge. Call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you in person and hopefully earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.